Hi, my name is Zarin, and this is my submission for CS50W's Project 1 Wiki, in which we had to design an online encyclopedia. So firstly, if the user manually types in a URL, such as CSS, they will automatically be taken to the page for CSS. But if the user types in an entry that does not exist in the encyclopedia, such as Java, they will be met with an error message that says page not found. So now if we go back to the home page, if you'll notice under all pages, all of these are blue hyperlinks. So if the user clicks on any of them, they will directly be taken to the entry page. So if we click on Python, we are taken to the URL for the Python entry. And now on the left here, we do have a search bar. So if we type in an entry such as CSS, which exists in the encyclopedia, and hit enter, we will directly be taken to the entry page for CSS. And it can also handle subqueries. So if we type in something as simple as the letter T, because it's case insensitive, it will pull up any of the entries that contain the letter T. And if the user clicks on any of the links from the search results, such as HTML, we will be taken to the entry page for HTML. Now on the left, the user also has the option of creating a new page. So if we click Create New Page, they're met with fields that they can enter, such as the title and the content, which have to be filled out. So firstly, if we type in something such as C, and say C was my first language, and we try to click Save, we will be met with an error message that says the title is already taken. Please choose another title. So now if we try to change to something like Java and click Save, that entry will be made and we will be taken to the entry page for Java. Now if you'll notice, on each entry page there is a button that allows the user to edit the page. So if we click Edit, it will populate all of the information such as the title and the content. The title will be read-only, but the content is where the user is able to edit it. So if we want to do something such as removing the boldness for first and click Save Changes, we will be redirected back to that entry page, and as you can see, the first is no longer bold. And so if you'll notice, we are using Markdown language. So if we try to make the first bold again, and we can even add a header, such as Java, and if we save those changes, it is converted, the Markdown language is converted, and it displays on the entry page using a bold text and a header that says Java. And now lastly, on the left here, we do have a link called the random page, which if we click on, it will take us to a random entry in the encyclopedia. So firstly, it takes us to Django, and if we click on random page again, it will direct us to CSS. And so this has been my submission for Project 1 Wiki, and thank you for watching.